If you've ever traded crypto manually and felt stressed, emotional, or constantly afraid of missing the next move, this video is for you. Because the real problem is not that you're bad at trading. The problem is that humans are not designed to beat crypto markets consistently. And that's exactly why crypto trading bots exist, especially Pionex. A crypto trading bot is a system that automatically places buy and sell orders based on predefined rules. It doesn't feel fear, it doesn't feel greed, and it doesn't get tired. While humans hesitate, bots execute. While humans panic, bots follow logic. This is why most retail traders lose money trading manually, not because they lack knowledge, but because emotions always interfere. Crypto markets move fast, 24/7, and no human can react perfectly all the time. Bots were created to solve exactly this problem, let's be honest. Most traders start with confidence, then emotions take over. You enter too late because of FOMO, you exit too early because of fear, and you hold losers too long, hoping the market will turn around. This cycle repeats again and again. Even if you understand technical analysis, emotions destroy execution. This is why having a system matters more than having skills. And a trading bot is simply a system that never breaks discipline. Pionex is not just another exchange. It's a crypto exchange with built-in trading bots. This means you don't need APIs, external platforms, coding knowledge, or complicated setups. Everything is already inside Pionex. You simply choose a bot, set your parameters, and let it run. That's why Pionex is often considered one of the best crypto trading bot platforms for beginners and intermediate traders. It removes complexity and lowers the barrier to automation. Pionex offers multiple built-in bots such as grid trading bots, DCA bots, arbitrage bots, rebalancing bots, and more. The most popular one is the grid trading bot. It works by buying low and selling high automatically within a price range. Instead of trying to predict the market direction, the bot profits from volatility. Every small price movement becomes an opportunity. While traders argue about where Bitcoin is going next, the bot quietly collects small profits again and again. Crypto markets are volatile by nature. Prices move up and down constantly. Grid trading turns this volatility into an advantage. Instead of needing perfect timing, the bot places multiple buy and sell orders across a range. When price drops, it buys. When price rises, it sells. This strategy removes emotional decision-making completely. You don't chase pumps and you don't panic during dips. You let the system do what it's designed to do. One major reason Pionex stands out is cost. The bots are free to use. You only pay trading fees, which are already low. Another reason is simplicity. Everything is beginner-friendly and mobile-ready. You can manage bots directly from your phone. Pionex also aggregates liquidity from major exchanges, which improves execution quality. Most importantly, it's designed for people who want automation without complexity. Pionex is ideal for people who want a systematic approach to crypto trading without spending all day watching charts. If you have a full-time job, run a business, or simply want a more hands-off strategy, Pionex makes sense. However, if you're looking for guaranteed profits or get-rich-quick schemes, then bots are not for you. Trading bots are tools, not magic. They require proper risk management and realistic expectations. When people search for the best crypto trading bot, they usually compare Pionex with platforms like 3, Hassanline, or other API-based bots. The biggest difference is complexity and cost. Many bots require monthly subscriptions, API connections, external dashboards, and advanced configuration. Pionex removes all of that. The bots are built directly into the exchange, free to use, and ready in minutes. For most traders, simplicity beats advanced features they never fully use. Let's be clear. No crypto trading bot guarantees profit. Bots do not eliminate market risk. If the market crashes hard, your account value can still drop. Bots work best in sideways or moderately volatile markets, not in extreme one-directional moves without adjustments. This is why risk management matters. You should always start with smaller capital, understand the strategy you are using, and avoid over-leveraging. A bot is a tool, not a promise. The smartest way to use Pionex is to think in systems, not predictions. You are not trying to guess the top or bottom. You are building a process that executes consistently. Start simple. Use well-known pairs with good liquidity. Avoid emotional changes once the bot is running. Let the strategy play out over time. Most people fail because they interfere too much. The power of automation comes from consistency. Most people fail with trading bots for the same reason they fail trading manually. They change strategies too often, they stop bots too early, they panic during drawdowns. A bot does not remove emotions unless you allow it to. You must trust the system you choose and give it time to work. The goal is not constant excitement. The goal is stability and long-term performance. Yes, Pionex is especially suitable for beginners because it reduces technical barriers. You don't need programming skills, trading APIs, or advanced setups. The interface is simple and the bots are pre-built. This allows beginners to focus on understanding strategy instead of struggling with tools. At the same time, more experienced traders can still customize parameters and scale their strategies. If you are tired of emotional trading, endless chart watching, and inconsistent results, then using a crypto trading bot makes sense. Pionex is not about getting rich overnight. It's about replacing emotion with structure. It's about letting a system do what humans struggle to do consistently. If you treat it as a tool and manage risk properly, it can be a powerful addition to your crypto strategy. If you want to try Pionex for yourself, check the registration link in the video description. Use the link when signing up to get a 10% trading fee rebate on both futures and spot trading. Or use the referral code Rebate20. You can also receive a welcome bonus of up to $10,000. The link and referral code are in the description below. Start small, learn the system, and let automation work for you instead of against you. If this video helped you understand crypto trading bots better, make sure to subscribe for more practical crypto automation content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.